Good afternoon, my dear student. Welcome to virtual class Sundargarh. I am Anita Grace Tiga, Gopt Upper Primary School Bhandari Sokra, Block Bali Sankra. Dear student, exam is around the corner too. Today we are going to discuss some question which will help you in your summative assessment too. So let us go to smart board. देखो स्टूडेंट माने एटा गुटे छोटो पपटिए आमे ई पैराग्राफ दे आर read the following paragraph and answer the question given below. They are a small paragraph and answer the question given below. Once there lived a poor man in a village. We had a rich classmate. We lived in a town. They did not meet for a long time. In the meantime, the rich friend had problem with his ears and became a deaf. This was not known to his friend in the village. The rich friend came to know that his friend was seriously ill. So he decided to visit him. तामने देखो एटा गुटे स्मॉल पैराग्राफ परीक्षा रे एटा पैराग्राफ आसीबो नंबर 1 रे आमे गुटे स्मॉल पैराग्राफ देखिलु एटा 5 मार्क रो देखो तमे पढ़ो यू आर रीड दिस फॉलोइंग पैराग्राफ एंड यू आर राइट योर आंसर बुक. Where did the poor man live? Then where did the poor man live?
The poor man in a village.
The
poor man in a village.
Very good.
In a village.
The poor man lived in a village. Number 2. Who became deaf? Who became deaf? Who became deaf? बधिर किए? Deaf अर्थ बधिर.
Rich man became deaf.
The rich man
became deaf.
देखो the friend had problem तर किसी problem थिला हैला with his ears had became deaf. Rich धनी व्यक्ति रो तार कान रे कोन थिला किसी problem थिला आउ से काना थिला deaf बधिर थिला. Where did the rich friend decided to visit his poor friend? Where did the rich friend decide to visit his poor friend? Answer. The rich friend came to know that his friend was seriously ill, so he decided to visit him. Tick the correct option for the word deaf. Deaf ro artha kana? Who can hear? Who has ears?
Who cannot hear.
Very good. C.
Who cannot hear.
Not okay. ठीक. Express in one word phrase staying in the same class are called. Same class study.
Classmate.
Very good.
Classmate.
Number 2. Read the following paragraph and answer the question given below. Once there lived a small elephant in Sugana. It liked banana very much because banana is easy to eat. It had a special liking for yellow banana. Once the elephant entered to the banana farm. The farm was very big. There was a small pond in middle of the farm. It ate 10 dozen of bananas and drank water from the pond. It returned from the farm happily. There is small paragraph. You are read and write down your answer sheet. Where did the small elephant live?
Lived a small elephant in Sundargarh.
Sundargarh.
Lived a small elephant in Sundargarh.
Suganda, no Sundargarh. Sunguda. Small elephant lived in a Sugana. What did the small elephant like very much? What did the small elephant like very much? Answer.
The small elephant liked very much for banana.
The small elephant liked banana very much. Where did the small elephant like banana? Where did the small elephant like banana?
The small elephant liked banana because banana is easy to eat.
The small elephant liked banana very much because banana is easy to eat. How many bananas did the elephant eat? How many bananas did the elephant eat? कितना खाई?
The 10 dozen of banana.
The elephant ate 10 dozen banana. 10 dozen banana से खैसी. Write a single word. Come back from a place is called. ଆମେ single word ରେ କହିବା. Come back from a place.
Return.
Return. Very good.
Returned.
Return. Read the following poem and answer the question that follow. They are small poems. For want of a nail, the shoe was lost. For want of shoe, the horse was lost. For want of horse, the reader was lost. For want of reader, the battle was lost. For want of battle, the kingdom was lost. And all for the want of a horse, shoe and nail. This is a small poem. For want of a nail, the shoe was lost. For want of shoe, the horse was lost. For want of horse, the reader was lost. For want of reader, the battle was lost. For want of battle, the kingdom was lost. And all for the want of a horse so nail. There are a small paragraph. तुमे पिला मैंने पढ़ो. आउ जेमिति प्रथम paragraph टा आमे पढ़िलु आंसर देलु. ई पोएम रो एमिति क्वेश्चन आसीबो. दुईटा प्रोज रो पैसेज आसीबो. तापरे पोएम रो भी ए भलिया दुईटा क्वेश्चन आसीबो. What is the poem about? What is the poem about?
The poem is about a nail.
The poem about
a nail.
the poem about horseshoe and nail. Okay? Where was the battle of lost? 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 The battle was lost for want of reader. The battle was lost for the want of a reader. All were lost only for a kanaba. कहो पिला मने
A nail.
a nail. Very good.
Nail.
A nail. Which pair of the following go together? देखो nail and reader, nail and horse, reader and kingdom, horse and reader. केनता together go to together सांगे अच्छे सांगे जिसम.
Horse and reader.
Very good. Horse and reader. Complete the chain using the words from the poem. ए poem को देखी करी तमे nail सहित कहा सहित मैच होची, horse कहा सहित मैच होची, battle कहा सहित मैच होची. nail shoe, horse reader, battle kingdom.
Kingdom.
देखिला. Number 4. Read the poem below and answer the question that follow. This is 5 marks. My house is red, a little house. A happy child am I. I laugh and play the whole day long. I hardly ever cry. I have a tree, a green tree, to shade me from the sun, and under it I often sit when all my play is done. My house is red, a little house. A happy child am I. I laugh and play the whole day long. I hardly ever cry. I have tree, a green tree, to shade me from the sun, and under it I often sit when all my play is done. What is the color of house? What is color of house?
The house color is red.
Very good. The house color is red. What does the child do the whole day long? What does the child do the whole?
The lodge and play the whole day long.
The child love and play the whole day long. Where does the child never cry? Where does the child never cry? The child never cry because he is happy and play whole day in his life. The child was never cry because he is happy and play whole day in his life. When does the child sit under the tree? When does the child sit under the tree? The child sit under the tree when the tree shade him from the sun. Who is in the poem? Who is I in the poem?
The poet is I in the poem. The poet is I in the poem.
The poet in this poem I means child. Okay? Fill in the blanks in the following application with appropriate words choosing from brackets. There are 5 marks and there are some brackets words you are choosing for following blanks. Class teachers, stay, Jagannathpur, favor, request, suffering, grant, faithfully, attend, grateful. Student, you are right. Fill in the blanks. The headmaster Jagannathpur Gov Upper Primary School Ganjam through the class teacher. Subject request for grant of leave for 3 days. Sir or madam, respectfully I would like to କାଣା ହେବା respectfully I would like to ଏଇଠାରୁ ତମେ ଖୁଜି କରି ଏଇ ଡ୍ୟାସ୍ ଫର୍ମ ପୂରଣ କର. Respectfully I would like to state that I have been suffering from fever since yesterday, so I cannot attend class from date 10/3/2023 to 12/2/3/2023, and so I request you to kind enough to grant me leave from day, and I will be grateful to you for this. Yours faithfully. ଦେଖିଲ ତମର ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ଏମିତି ଡ୍ୟାସ୍ ପୂରଣ ଆସିବ ହେଲା ତାକୁ ଏଇ ଛାଡ଼ି ଦେଇଥିବ ତାପରେ ୱାର୍ଡସ୍ ଦେଇ ଦେଇଥିବ ତାକୁ ଚୁଜ୍ କରିକିରି ତମେ ମାନେ ଲେଖିବ. Write the paragraph on Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose in about so words by using the information given below. The last line of the paragraph is given. Like 5 marks. Name Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, born on 23rd January 1897, born in Cuttack. Parents: father Janakinath Bose, mother Prabhavati Bose, founder All India Forward Bank, Azad Hind Radio. एटा इनफॉरमेशन तुम मानक दिया जायछि एंड तार इनफॉरमेशन दिया हैछि सुभाष चंद्र बोस आउ ए सब को नै करी डैश पूर्ण करिवो. नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस वाज born on 20 January 1897, born on 3rd January 1897, and his father's name was Janakinath Bose and his mother's name was Prabhati Bose. He was the All India Forward Bank, Azad Hind Radio. He was a great freedom fighter of India. Number 7. Read the information about a railway ticket given in the box and answer the following question given below. 3 marks तमर आसीबो एटा कोन टिकेट रेलवे तमर बस रो भी आसीबो रेलवे रो आसीबो. Date of journey 13/2/2023 UTS 617 SDEBOID ₹65 Chandrapur to Bhubaneswar kilometer 145 AD1 CHO mode case. Where is the traveler going? The traveler going Bhubaneswar. What is the date of journey? The date of journey
The date of journey is
13/20/2023. What is the fare of the ticket? The fare of the ticket ₹65. Read the passage carefully and answer the question that follow. 2 marks. Tanamuna is a small village in Ganjam district. The poor people live in a tiny houses there. There are a few big buildings in the village, but both the rich and poor live there happily together. Find out the words which means small. देखो এই paragraph रे तार अर्थ अछि तार मीनिंग এই paragraph रे अछि तमे खुजी करी बाहर करो. Small means number 1 small means teeny. Find out the word used in the passage which is opposite of small. Small ro opposite word if এই paragraph रे अछि small ro opposite word big. Number 8 write down the plural of the following words. 2 marks. Mouse ro plural mice. There deer. Read the following sentence, find out the noun. Sima is a good girl. Sima very good. Write a following person in English. Sri Ramchandra. Say spelling Sri Ramchandra को हमें काना लिखमा इंग्लिश रे लिखबार अछि. Lakshman LAKSHMANA. Fill in the blanks with the correct alternative choosing from bracket. The rat is inside the
hole.
hole. Spelling ko
HOLE hole.
Very good. I am dash to read the newspaper.
HER. HERE.
Very good. Fill in the blanks using the information relate to you. देखो my name is काना बड़ा स्पिरम एठारे निजर ना लिखबो हला Very good. I am
13 years old.
very good.
10 years old.
12 years old or 13 years old. I go to
BSS school.
PSI school. I go to
BSS school.
PSI school. I go to dash to study.
School to study.
I go. Very good. I go to school to study. To I directed. Tick the word name.
Driver.
Zookeeper, soldier, driver, student.
Student.
Very good, student. Tick the correct word. Salute. Very good. See. Make a meaningful word. এইটা এড়ে ছাড়ে ଅଛି meaningful word কাଣା হেবা
Special.
Spelling कह SPECIAL. Use not in the river every day. Not লগাই করি তুমি এই বাক্যকু লেখো. He swims in the river every day. He swims in the river every day. Not লগাই কি সেই বাক্যকু পুরা কর. ক ପିଲାମାନେ He swims in the river every day. Not লগাই কি
he does not swim.
Not,
He does
only
not
no.
swim.
He not swims in the river every day. The more one gets, the more one wants. Get one. देखो get one logically a sentence है the more one gets the more one wants. Semiti write a sentence like this using the words given in brackets. Read and learn. Read and learn लगे कि तुम्हें वाक्य उठे लिखो. कहा the more one gets, the more one wants. Write a sentence like this using the words given in the brackets. Read and learn. Read and learn लगे कि तुम्हें वाक्य उठे लिखो. The more one reads, the more one learns. The more one reads, the more one learns.